Process identification is made up of two main steps: the designation step and the prioritization step, also known as process selection. During the designation step, we need to enumerate the main processes of the organization. So that means pretty much coming up with a catalog of the business processes that the organization is made up of, and then determine the scope of these business processes, meaning their boundaries, where they start, where they finish, their input, outputs, as well as the relationship between business processes. And here we talk about upstream, downstream relationships, as well as hierarchical relationships, like for example a process with its sub-process. The prioritization will be based on three criteria: importance or strategic alignment, how aligned are these business processes, or how does the business processes contribute to the achievement of the strategic objectives of the organization. The health, so how dysfunctional or healthy the business processes are, for example, how they perform, what's their quality, what's their customer satisfaction, how expensive they are, etc. And the feasibility, which measures the susceptibility of the process to being changed. So due to the political, and here we need to take into account the political and cultural environment of the organization. For example, there are processes whose process owners are very reluctant to being changed. So the result of the designation phase is the process architecture, which is also the main deliverable of the process identification phase. Whereas we can perform the prioritization step by coming up with a prioritized process portfolio, where we put on the canvas the various processes according to how they ranked in each of these three dimensions. As far as the first step is concerned, process designation, in enumeration, we need to come up with a catalog of business processes. Now here there is no rule that fits all. Yes, we could say that in general, small to medium organizations would feature 10 to 20 business processes, whereas large organizations would have 50 or above. But in reality, the number of the processes that we come up with depends on the specific domain the organization operates, as well as on the inherent complexity of the organization.